Here is how you lock apps on iPhone with a custom passcode. But first, hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. It really helps me out. Thank you. So if I long press on an app that I would like to lock and release, the require Face ID or Touch ID option only allows you to lock apps with your default passcode. So to set a custom passcode, instead we're going to open the Shortcuts app. Inside the Shortcuts, we will tap on the plus at the top right to create a new shortcut. We're going to create a quick shortcut which will do the app lock. So follow me. We're going to tap on Search Actions. We will then search for Ask. We will then tap on Ask for Input. Now we will tap on Text. We will change text to number, and in prompt we need to enter in a prompt like this. So I will do enter password to open app. This is the prompt that will show when we try and open the app. We will then tap the done button. We will then go back into the search. This time we will search for if, and then we'll tap on if. We will then see the number option. So we'll tap on number, and this is going to be the custom passcode you want to set. So in my case, I'm going to use 1234. Use whatever you want. Now tap on done, then tap on search, and we're going to search for open app. Make sure you search for open app exactly, and then tap on this one. Then tap the app and choose the app you want to lock. So for this video, we'll be locking Geekbench 6. So I'll tap on Geekbench 6. Now long press this open and drag and drop. So I'll just drag and drop it, and we're going to drop it below if but above otherwise. Then we're going to tap on search, and we're going to search for show alert. You see this one? Tap on it. We then see the alert. We'll tap on this one, and so we want to change the alert to incorrect pin. I'll remove the question mark, and I'll tap on done. We now need to move the show alert to below otherwise but above and if. Once this is done, we now need to open up the App Store. We then need to search for the app we're locking, in my case the Geekbench 6. Tap on the app to view its page, then take a screenshot by clicking releasing power and volume up. This will make sense in about 10 seconds. Tap on the screenshot preview and crop the screenshot so that it only shows the app icon. So I'm going to go like that, and it doesn't have to be a perfect job. You can see that was a 10-second thing, and then we'll tap on done, and then you're going to save the screenshot to your photos. Now head back into the Shortcuts app. Now tap on share, then select add to home screen. Then tap the image icon. Now you see new shortcut 5. We need to remove this and change this name to the name of the app you're locking. So in my case, Geekbench 6. Then we're going to select choose photo, and we're going to choose the photo of that screenshot. Once done, we'll tap on add, and now we have a locked Geekbench 6. So when we tap on this one, it wants the custom pin, and it opens up the app. But one thing you may be noticing that's glaring at your screen is surely someone can just open the regular Geekbench 6. So what you're going to do, look for the normal Geekbench 6, long press this one, and follow me closely. We're going to tap remove app. We do not want to delete the app. If you delete the app, then this shortcut doesn't work. Instead, we're just going to remove it from the home screen. And then on our home screen, we're going to make the other Geekbench as presentable as possible. So if someone is accessing your phone a lot, just make sure it is as easy as possible to see this app and tap on it to open it up.